Hello everyone, and welcome to today's episode on Ahot tutorial. And today we're going to be showing you guys how you can speak with an Airtel call representative in 3 minutes. So first up, we're going to go to our call, which we're going to call the Airtel line now, which is 111. We would like you guys to be careful and listen attentively so that you will be able to try it on your own. This is not any trick or any tweak, it's just a tutorial video on how you can speak with an Airtel representative in 3 minutes.
You need to stay connected. It's free, fast, it's easy. *121#. For English, press 1.
Now we're going to pull one.
To manage your line, press 1. For bar services, press 1. For product, for Smart Connect, press 1. For Smart Premier, press 2. For Smart, please hold while your line is being transferred to a call center agent.
And those are the 4 digits you need to speak with a call representative in 3 minutes. And that's completely the 4 digits you need to speak with a call representative in less than few minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and invite your friends and family. Share the videos. Follow us on our social media handles. Thank you very much.